This abattoir project started way back 2007. So 15 years down the line is when we are realizing the dream of this transformative project that is going to be a great blessing to the people of Isiolo, and not only Isiolo, but even to the greater north and northeastern counties. We are even envisioning that we'll have imports from our neighboring countries like Ethiopia and also Somalia.
The construction of this abattoir from the reception, we have done some changes, mainly structurally, and we did redesigning of the old system. We have in two systems. We have one line for the goats and sheep, which is fully automated, and a static line for camel and cows.
All equipment are already in place and we are doing installation. I think most of the installation will be completed by the end of February, but the snack list will be done by the end of March.
There is a demand, high demand for blood materials in our country. We are even importing currently. Then for the stomach remains, there is the sewer system that is going, of course, the liquid waste is going to run through a sewer system that is that will be run that is ecologically friendly. Yeah.